The SME Benchmarking Tool from Industry Canada is a good resource for researching the competitiveness of a particular industry. From the homepage of the library guide for MGMT 443, in the Government Resources section, you'll find a link to the SME Benchmarking Tool. The link first goes to the Frequently Asked Questions page, because here Industry Canada lists some introductory information about the tool, how to create reports, what kind of data is listed. You can see here that there are 4 distinct sections that can be displayed in the tool reports: selected revenue, balance sheet, financial ratios, and profitable versus non-profitable. There's a little guide for creating tool reports and finding NAICS codes. Scroll up to the top, let's create a report. So the first step is to determine your geographic area. Let's use the restaurant example from the previous video, and we'll limit it to restaurants in Alberta. We'll limit it to all businesses. And instead of percentage of total revenue, we'll do thousands of dollars. You can see here that the data year is 2010. Because sometimes it takes a while to compile these statistics, often the most current data year will be from a few years past. So that's quite normal. Step 2, the tool is now asking for the NAICS code for the industry. Now you can search for it here if you don't know it, and you can browse for it here as we did previously, but since we remember what it was, 72211 is the restaurant NAICS code. Continue on. Now we have some options here of what parts of the industry we'd like to see. You can look at the top or bottom half or the middle. We're going to choose just the top and bottom half. And it gives you your report here. Under your profile, it lists the limits that we had selected. If you continue to scroll down the page, your report will be listed here. You can see the number of businesses in Alberta, the revenue range is quite large, from 30,000 a year to 5 million. And it goes over more detailed categories related to this industry: wages and benefits, inventory, operating expenses, insurance, net profit and loss. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you have your financial ratios, profitable versus non-profitable. You can see here that 2/3 of restaurant businesses in Alberta were profitable, while 1/3 were not. If you wanted to export this report, there's an export report to Excel link here. If you click on that, your browser should automatically initiate a download, and you can manipulate that data on your own computer. And there it is there. And that is the SME Benchmarking Tool.